Well, 안녕하십니까. 안녕히 계세요, 여러분. Well, GM traders, konnichiwa, or is it Ohio gozaimasu? From wherever you're watching me, welcome to the new month. Yeah, it's a new month. So have a look at the calendar. This is the first day of the trading month. Yeah, we are currently in June, having how many days, how many weeks? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks until the end of this month. Well, welcome to this analysis. Hope you are doing well. Hope you will be doing well. Yeah, let's get into it. So we start off by looking at the fundamentals on the weekly. And looking at the weekly, we are seeing on Monday, don't have any major coming in news apart from 4:45 p.m. be having the final manufacturing PMI. That means at that time you're not looking to take any trades. On Tuesday, we'll be having JOTS job opening that will be coming in at 5 p.m. That is UTC +3, Nairobi time zone. Over on to Wednesday, we are seeing at 3:15 and 3:15 we'll be having news that will be affecting the USD pair, meaning the Euro-USD will have a little bit of a upset or volatility in the market. So not looking to take trades at that particular point. On Thursday, also we are seeing we'll be having main refinancing rate and monetary policy statement news coming in, which will be high impact news. And yeah, also on Friday we have the major news, the NFP of the non-farm employment change that will be coming in at 3:30 p.m. on Friday. Well, that was up for the week. Let's go to our technical analysis. Looking at our technical analysis, marked off buy side and sell side liquidity. Let's look over the weekly chart. Looking over the weekly chart, we were mentioning yesterday that we closed as a doji. We closed as a doji yesterday, and on the previous week, and we are still in this supply, trading off this supply, and the market is still there. We are working off the sell side of the buy side liquidity. Which one will be the first to be taken care of? Will it be the buy side or the sell side liquidity? We'll have to wait and watch, but as you can see, the price is trading at the discounts. Price is trading at the discounts, almost at the discount level. Over to the daily chart. Over to the daily chart, we are seeing we are having that supply being tested again, and the price is doing its thing. Meaning what? If we have a break of this supply over here, we may embark in having a 3 control, and that will tell us whether we are going to buy or sell. All the 4 hour is a different case. We are seeing in the next 30 minutes we have the close of this 4 hour candle, and we are having a 3 control being established. And if this market establishes 3 control at that particular point, we are having a clean traffic to continue to sell. That means if we have a 3 control, meaning a 3 control or sell entry, we expect for this market to go a little bit up grab some of that liquidity before pushing to the downside and doing something like that. Yeah, but if we come to grab liquidity from this supply over here and we manage to close above, this level will be mitigated. I mean, it will be null and void, meaning what does that mean? It means that level will not be making sense again. Over the 1 hour chart, we are saying we don't have anything being worked on over here, though we can see from this area over here we had a 3 count rule. Okay, with 1, with 2, enter the flip. We are seeing the flip there, but it will be a SAL. This is a SAL because we are seeing the market, if it manages to take out this swing high over here, we will have what are we going to have? We'll have we're pretty much going to have what is known as a what? We are going to pretty much have what is known as a supply, a demand zone being established over this particular point. So we have this particular point to have a watch out for. Yes, I am going to see the 30 minutes was the 30 minutes printing. On 30 minutes we saw that during the Asian session the market was bullish for a second there. We managed to create this demand zone, and when price came back into this zone, you see it is reacting off the zone. Though we are having a supply at this particular point, but a break of this supply, having a 3 count rule being established at this particular point, will see us continue pushing to the upside. Over to the 15 minutes. Also on the 30 minutes, we are looking to sell if we break this demand zone to the lower side and establish some sort of a 3 count rule, and make sure we do not close back into this area. We are looking for targets at this particular point. Over to the 15 minutes. Over to the 15 minutes, we are seeing also the market is trading inside this supply over here. Came into this particular point, and we're seeing the market is reacted, never came into this demand zone. We are seeing the reaction of the market at that particular point. Over to the 5 minutes. Before we switch over to the 5 minutes, I would like to highlight something here that I've seen be a little bit crucial for our market analysis, and I would love this one to be visible only to the 1 hour, since it makes a lot of sense for it to be there. Visibility of this, yeah, allow it to be only visible on the 1 hour, since it is making a lot of sense. Let's see this. Also, this particular point over here. Okay, return, return. Yes. We are having a lot of. Okay, return, return. I love this one to be visible in 1 hour. Makes sense, makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense, it makes sense, it makes sense. Looking at our major chart, the 5 minutes, is if it coughs, every other chart quivers. Looking at over the 5 minutes, we are seeing we are having a lot of hindrance or supply that is preventing the price from continuing to push to the upside. Yes, we are having those supplies moments preventing the price to continue to push to the, that is preventing the price from pushing to the upside. I'd love to change this one, and something that I'm looking at. Let's look at 11, 3, 4, 1. Yeah. So for me, on the 5 minutes, let's look at the 5 minutes. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the break of this area, this supply over here. The break of this supply will instigate for me to either take a buy or a sell. But also today, the taking out of the sell side, buy side liquidity of the Asian session looks clean for us to do something like that. Yeah, I'll be waiting for this to appear. Yeah, that's what's up for analysis. We are seeing also to continue to look for sales. We need a break of this area and a break of this particular point. And if you have that break, we may have a retest to continue push to the downside. Be careful what you'll be trading today, since it is not looking clean on the 5 minutes, though on the other time frames it is a little bit clear. Meaning what? Meaning we'll be trading with the higher time frames. The higher time frames is what will be giving us guidance. Like as you can see on today during the Asian session, we had a clean buy entry over here, which continued pushing up and gave us 5 pips. Meaning what? Telling us that the market today is working with the higher time frames, the 30 minutes, 1 hour, and the 4 hour. That's what the market is working with. So I'd love now to change this one to be so. I'll be waiting for this. Boom, boom, something like that. Hope we don't. If we close inside this particular point, this is null and void. That's what's up for the analysis. Remember, don't break your own rules. For goodness sake, it is your own rules. And trade your model, trade your strategy. That's all, and see you today in the Kaeibo journals, as I'll be explaining the trades that I've taken during the day.